Alright guys, so as you know, Capcut is one of the easiest video editing apps out there, but almost everything's locked behind a paywall. So this is how you can use all the pro features without doing anything shady. As you can see, I've already got a project open and fully edited. Make sure to finish all your edits first because you won't be able to change anything after this. Now when I hit export, it says I've used pro features and won't let me export it, right? So first up, you have to select everything on your timeline by pressing Ctrl and A keys on your keyboard. Then right-click and select Create Compound Clip option. Once your whole project turns into one compound video, head over to the Video tab, scroll down, and turn on Motion Blur. Set the blur amount to the lowest, which is 1. Now wait for it to process the clip. If your video's long, this might take a while, but you gotta let it finish somehow. Alright, once it's done processing, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type in App Data and hit Enter. That'll open the App Data folder, go into Local, then Capcut, User Data, Cache, and then to Motion Blur Cache folder. You'll see a bunch of video files in there from past projects, but just find the one you just processed and drag and drop it back into your Capcut timeline. The video you just dragged in is actually the original version right before we added the motion blur effect. So now you can go ahead and delete the old compound clip from your timeline, and that's it. You can now export your video with all the pro features just like this. Hope this helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tips like this.